Have you ever started your car only to see that annoying tire pressure warning light staring back at you? For many drivers, it's easy to ignore. But here's the scary part. According to safety experts, underinflated tires can reduce fuel efficiency, shorten tire life, and even increase the risk of a blowout at highway speeds. And in many cases, the problem isn't the tire. It's the TPMS sensor. Today, we're counting down the 5 best TPMS sensors available on Amazon right now. We'll cover reliability, compatibility, installation, value for money, and most importantly, which one deserves your hard-earned cash. Whether you're a DIY car owner, a professional mechanic, or you manage multiple vehicles, this video will help you make the right choice. Let's get started. Before we jump into the list, let's quickly talk about what a TPMS sensor actually does. TPMS stands for Tire Pressure Monitoring System. These small sensors sit inside your wheels and continuously monitor tire pressure. If pressure drops below a safe level, the system alerts you through your dashboard warning light. A quality TPMS sensor helps improve safety, fuel economy, tire longevity, and overall driving confidence. Unfortunately, not all TPMS sensors are created equal. That's why we've researched dozens of options to bring you the 5 best choices available today. Starting our list at number 5 is the DENSO 550-0103 TPMS sensor. If you drive a Toyota, Lexus, Scion, or certain Pontiac models, this sensor deserves serious attention. DENSO is one of the world's leading OEM automotive suppliers, which means many vehicles leave the factory with DENSO components already installed. What we like most about this sensor is its OEM-level reliability. Instead of gambling on a cheap aftermarket alternative, you're getting a sensor built to meet manufacturer standards. Key strengths include accurate pressure readings, dependable signal transmission, and long battery life. Installation is straightforward for compatible vehicles, making it an excellent option for drivers looking for a direct replacement. However, compatibility is limited compared to universal sensors. If you own multiple vehicle brands, you may want a more flexible solution. Still, for Toyota and Lexus owners, this is one of the safest and most trusted choices available. Best for Toyota and Lexus owners seeking OEM quality replacement sensors. Coming in at number 4 is the A Premium 4 PCS pre-programmed TPMS sensor kit. This package includes 4 sensors, making it a practical solution when replacing all-wheel sensors at once. One of the biggest advantages here is convenience. These sensors come pre-programmed, reducing setup complexity and saving valuable installation time. Drivers often appreciate products that simply work without requiring additional programming tools. The sensors support 433 MHz communication and are designed for various compatible vehicles. Another benefit is value. Purchasing 4 sensors together often costs less than buying individual OEM replacements. Of course, there are some trade-offs. Vehicle compatibility should always be checked carefully before purchasing. And while reliability is generally solid, OEM brands still have a slight edge in long-term reputation. Overall, this is an excellent budget-friendly package for drivers looking to refresh their entire TPMS system. Best for budget-conscious drivers replacing all 4 sensors. At number 3, we have the Smart Sensor Multi-Frequency Sensor Set. This product is geared more toward professionals than everyday drivers. The biggest selling point is flexibility. These sensors support multiple frequencies and can be programmed for a wide range of vehicle applications. For tire shops, repair centers, and fleet maintenance operations, that versatility can be incredibly valuable. Instead of stocking dozens of different sensor models, technicians can use programmable sensors that cover many applications. The build quality is impressive, and the package includes multiple sensors, making it ideal for high-volume service environments. However, this product may be excessive for a typical car owner who only needs a single replacement sensor. If you're running a professional operation, though, the value proposition becomes much stronger. Best for tire shops, repair facilities, and professional installers. Our runner-up is the Schrader Easy Sensor 33500. Schrader is one of the most respected names in the TPMS industry. In fact, many original TPMS systems found in vehicles today trace their roots back to Schrader technology. The Easy Sensor line has earned a strong reputation because of its programmable multi-frequency design. For installers, this means fewer inventory headaches and greater compatibility across numerous vehicle brands. Another advantage is Schrader's proven track record. When professionals talk about dependable TPMS solutions, Schrader is almost always part of the conversation. Performance is consistently accurate, signal quality is strong, and programming support is widely available. The only reason this sensor doesn't take the top spot is that some competing solutions offer even broader coverage and flexibility. Still, for many professionals, Schrader remains one of the safest recommendations on the market. Best for drivers and technicians who want trusted industry-leading reliability. And finally, taking the #1 position on our list is the Autel MX TPMS sensor set. This product has become extremely popular among automotive professionals, and for good reason. The standout feature is dual frequency support. The sensors can operate on both 315 MHz and 433 MHz frequencies, dramatically increasing vehicle coverage. For shops and installers, that means fewer sensor types to stock and greater operational efficiency. Autel has also invested heavily in TPMS programming technology. When paired with compatible Autel tools, setup becomes fast, efficient, and highly flexible. Another major advantage is broad compatibility across thousands of vehicle applications. Whether you're servicing domestic, Asian, or European vehicles, these sensors can often handle the job. The build quality is excellent, the signal performance is reliable, and the overall ecosystem is one of the strongest in the industry. The only downside is that some users may need specialized programming equipment. But for professionals and serious enthusiasts, that's a small trade-off considering the benefits. Best for professional installers, fleet maintenance operations, and anyone seeking maximum compatibility. So which TPMS sensor should you buy? If you're a Toyota or Lexus owner, the DENSO 550-0103 is an outstanding OEM-style replacement. If you're replacing all 4 sensors on a budget, the A Premium 4 PCS kit offers excellent value. For professional tire shops, the Smart Sensor Set provides tremendous flexibility. The Schrader Easy Sensor remains one of the most trusted names in the industry and is a fantastic all-around choice. But if we're choosing one overall winner, the Autel MX TPMS sensor takes the crown thanks to its dual frequency support, broad compatibility, and professional-grade performance. Now we'd like to hear from you. Have you used any of these TPMS sensors? Which one would you choose for your vehicle? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest automotive reviews. Thanks for watching Review Mastery, and we'll see you in the next one.